Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for always supporting me. Now, today we're going to dive into a topic that affects so many of us. Our credit scores specifically will be discussing how the Scene credit card can help you build and improve your personal credit. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Credit cards can be so confusing and scary, especially if you're just starting out. But trust me, I am here to walk you through one step at a time. Understanding credit is so important. First, let's take a quick look at why your credit score is so important. Think of your credit score as a financial report card that tells lenders how responsible you are with credit. Your score can affect everything from getting approved for loans to securing lower interest rates or even renting an apartment. A high credit score can open up many opportunities, while a low credit score can lead to higher costs and fewer options. This brings us back to the credit cards. Using a credit card responsibly is one of the best ways to establish a solid credit history. And that's where the Scene credit card comes into play. Now, let's talk about the Scene card and what makes it special. First off, it's designed for those who are new to credit or perhaps looking to rebuild their personal credit. The application process is straightforward and you'll often receive approval quickly, which is one of the huge reliefs when you are trying to get started and rebuild your personal credit. Now, if you're wondering what sets Scene apart from traditional credit cards, it's its unique model that allows you to focus on building your credit without the traditional pitfalls that often come with credit cards, like annual fees or high interest rates. Instead, it's all about supporting you as your journey into the world of credit, and as well to help you establish credit. So, how exactly does the Scene credit card help you build your credit? Number one, establishing payment history. One of the most significant factors in your credit score is your payment history. With the Scene credit card, even on time payments you make makes a positive to your report card. This consistent behavior signals to the lenders that you are responsible borrower and you have a significant impact on your overall credit score over time. Now, the Scene credit card reports your payments to all three major credit bureaus, so Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This means that positive history you build with this card will be reflected in your credit report, giving you a better chance of qualifying for larger loans in the future. Number three is keeping your credit utilization low. Now, credit utilization refers to the amount of your credit that you are using compared to your overall credit limit. So, keeping it below 30% is important. The Scene card comes with an initial lower credit limit, roughly at 300, making it easier to manage and keep your utilization in check. They also give you information as far as education and resources, which is another aspect of the Steam credit cards. It's educational resources. It's not just a card, it also is a learning experience from budgeting tips to how to improve your credit score. They provide valuable tools that empower you to take control of your financial future. Number four, you want to make sure that you are maximizing your benefits. Now that you know how the Scene credit card can help you build your credit, here are some quick tips to maximize its benefits. Number one, you want to make sure that you are making payments on time. This cannot be overseen. Set reminders or automatic payments if you can. Consistently timely payments will go a very long way. Number two, using your card smartly. So use your card for small, manageable purchases that you can pay off or pay back each month. Number three, you want to make sure that you are keeping track of your progress and understand how each action affects your credit score. Tools are available that can help you track your credit score for free. Number four will be don't close any accounts. Okay. Once you have established your credit, resist the urge to close card accounts. Your credit history length matters. So letting it age will farther help your credit score. In conclusion, the Steam credit card serves as an incredible starting point for anyone looking to take charge of their financial future and build their credit card or credit history responsibly. By understanding how it works and using it wisely, you can lay the foundation for a strong credit score that opens up doors to better financial opportunities. Now, as I did mention on earlier in this video, they do offer a instant decision whether or not you have been approved. Again, you can boost your personal credit score. Also, there is no security deposit whatsoever. And then you can start spending right away. The application, again, is very simple and straightforward. If you have an invitation, you will use your 6-digit offer code to unlock your offer, submit your application, complete your application in as little as 2 minutes. Again, you will get that instant decision. And you can also download their mobile app and start spending right away. Now, they do have a credit limit starting off at 300, but they do also have a credit limit up to 3,000. So this is all just based on credit worthiness, and they do pull from Experian. So if your Experian profile is locked, you might want to make sure that you unlock it so that won't result in a denial of your application. So thank you all for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance tips. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.